There's a tiny star called Please, twinkling gently in the breeze. When you want a turn to play, say please in a gentle way. Please, 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 the star that makes hearts happy. The thank you star floating by is thank you star. Bright and warm, you see it far. When your friend shares fun with you, smile and say a big thank you. Thank you, thank you, the star that shines when you do. The sorry star, oopsie daisy, things can fall. Sometimes bumps happen to all, but the sorry star glows bright when you make things kind and right. Sorry, sorry, a magic star that wipes the worry. Excuse me, star, watch the excuse me star float by, soft and gentle in the sky. When you need to pass a friend, excuse me is the word to send. Excuse me, a star that moves so peacefully. Please star, thank you star, sorry star that heals the scar. Excuse me star.